Next we come to classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are basically classified into two types. One is open chain compound. This is an open chain compound. Another is cyclic compound. This is a cyclic compound. This is a cyclic compound. Okay, so first classification, open chain or cyclic compounds. Then in the open chain compound, what do you have? You have homocyclic and heterocyclic. What do you mean by homocyclic? Organic compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen atoms, homocyclic. But if organic compounds contain some atom which is not carbon and hydrogen, you call it heterocyclic. Like this is a homocyclic compound, only carbon and hydrogen. This is a heterocyclic compound. Who's the heteroatom? Bromine. Okay. Then you have compounds called aromatic compounds. What are aromatic compounds? Compounds which have an aroma, compounds which have a special characteristics like alternate double bonds. We do it at the end of the chapter. So in aromatic compounds, you have compounds which are benzonoid and you have compounds which are non-benzonoid. Benzonoid compounds are the compounds whose basic ring is a benzene ring. This is a benzene ring, children. Whose basic ring is a benzene ring, benzonoid compound. If it does not have a benzene ring, aromatic compound, then you call it a non-benzonoid compound. So we go one by one. Alicyclic compound, open chain. Cyclic compound, closed chain. Aromatic compounds, we do it at the end of the chapter. Compounds which have alternate double bonds, they possess an aroma and they are cyclic in nature. And they also follow a rule which is called the Huckel's rule. We will do it at the end of the chapter. So these are benzonoid compound. Why? Because the basic structure is a benzene. Non-benzonoid aromatic compound because the basic structure is not a benzene.